Hi, welcome to FS with Srikanth. In the previous lectures, we discussed in detail printf and scanf and control strings and delimiters and escape sequences, and also we covered these first three in one video. And the previous lecture we covered this sum of two numbers and area and circumferences of a circle and find simple interest. Now we are going to discuss these program to convert temperature from degree centigrades to Fahrenheit, right? So here also we required formula. Without formula we cannot write this program, right? This is our program. We need to convert temperature from degree to centigrade. So here one thing everyone remember, we are converting our program degree to centigrade. We are not converting to Fahrenheit to degree. We are converting degree to centigrade. So here we required formulas are most important. Without formula we cannot write. The previous programs also formulas based only, right? So what is centigrade? How do if in case we are having Fahrenheit and we can get the centigrade, how to convert? C equal 1.8 into F minus 32. This is if in case we are having Fahrenheit value. If in case you are having centigrade value, how can we convert? Fahrenheit equal 1.8 into C plus 32. So actually this is not required right now. This is not required. So now we are following this principle. This is one of the formula, right? If you have a Fahrenheit, if you know centigrades, then we can find Fahrenheit. Very simple one, right? How many values we require totally? So one is centigrade and one more is Fahrenheit. Totally we require two values. And centigrades and Fahrenheit always floating values, always it containing decimal values. So we are taking float as a data type for this, right? What is the formula? Fahrenheit 1.8 into C and plus 32. And obviously we know that centigrades, the temperature obviously in decimal only, right? And while doing this execution, while doing this problem, obviously we are getting Fahrenheit, right? So that we are taking C, centigrades and Fahrenheit as a floating data type. And we required centigrade. How many centigrades you want to convert to Fahrenheit? First you can get the data from the keyboard, means getting the value from the user. Enter temperature in centigrade. Then we store this centigrade into this C. Then as we know the formula F equal 1.8 into C, right or not? So here with the help of this formula we are getting this Fahrenheit, and we are printing that Fahrenheit with the help of printf function. And here we are using control string %f. Why? Because f is not a integer. It is a float value. The same thing we do that in execution. We execute the same thing. Open Fahrenheit convert, right? This is one of the program we store here. Same program here is there. So void main float C and F and CLR enter the temperature as a decimal value, and we are doing this. We are not doing, just we are typing the entire program right now. Run the program. So I want to enter 36 degrees. What we are getting? 36 degrees 96.8 Fahrenheit. Everyone knows that, right? Again, suppose why we are doing executing, and 30 degrees. Suppose temperature is now 30 degrees, 80 degrees, 86 of 80 degrees in Fahrenheit, right? 86 Fahrenheit. We are calling Fahrenheit. Centigrade, 30 degrees centigrade is equal to 86 Fahrenheit, right? This is one program. Next we are going to discuss calculate 5 subject marks. Calculate 5 subjects, sum of 5 subjects and find percentage. So here we want to collect 5 subjects marks and we can do sum and we can find percentage, right? Everyone knows that. So first here, as per the question, calculate sum of 5 subject marks. Suppose Srikanth having 5 subjects. Having right now 5 subject marks. Suppose S1 is for first subject mark and S2, S3 and S4, S5. 5 subjects, right? 5 subject marks. So here total how many subjects? 5 subjects. Each subject containing how many marks? 100 marks. Each subject how many marks? Into 5. Total 5 subjects. Total marks are 500. These are total marks. Total marks. So here total marks are 500. And what are the marks of Srikanth? S1, S2, S3. Collect the data from the user. S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. Total 5 subjects. Maximum are 100. Maximum 100 marks and minimum 0. Right. So we know that minimum 0 and maximum 100. Just observe. While executing program, I can say something about this min and maximum values. The next one, when we are doing sum. So these are total marks. And how many marks student getting? That is nothing but S1, S2, S3, S4 plus S5. Right or not? 5 subjects marks equal sum of 5 subjects. So here I am taking this is equal to sum. Sum equal sum of 5 subjects. That is S1, S2, S3, S4 and S5. Then while getting sum of the total marks, then we can do percentage. Percentage equal sum into 100 by total marks. Right or not? This is we required. Totally how many variables we required? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 subject marks 5. And we know that total marks are 500. So for that total 500 fixed. And what we are getting, that is sum. And what we are getting percentage? PER. The total these 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 variables we required. Totally how many variables? 8 variables. In the 8 variables, percentage only, maximum percentage only we are getting as a decimal. Remaining all are integer. For that, I am taking 7 variables as a integer. That is S1, S2, S3, S4, S5 and sum and total. These are initialized. Already this variable is initialized. Right, the remaining 6 variables we can initialize it running of our program. While running our program, we can initialize that variable, 6 variables. And we are taking percentage as a float. Right, first of all, in a first printable statement, we are collecting enter 5 subject marks. While entering a user 5 subject marks, first value is stored in, so there is one percentage is missing, percentage D here. And this percentage is take 6 and third one is for S3 and fourth one is for S4 and fifth one is for S5. And we are doing the values. We can perform next action is sum S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 plus S5. While getting a sum of the total marks and we are printing the sum value. In the next statement we are printing sum value. After printing the sum value and again we perform this percentage formula. Sum, what we are getting sum, that can be placed in sum and into 100 and divided by total. We are getting percentage and again we can print here. The same program we executing, right? But while executing our program, I can explain this. What is why we are minimum 10 and maximum 100. So some mistakes are there in program. As a real time, there are some mistakes are there. As per this question, this program is everything is correct. But in a real time, there are 2 problems occur, right? I'll show. This is one program and I want to enter. This is open. This is sum of 5. Everything clear? As we discussed, total is 6 variables, 7 variables as a integers S1 to S5 and sum total S1 to S5 sum value and total marks of the 5 subject 500 and sum is user getting total marks, user score and float is percentage. Just observe while compiling our program there is nothing and no errors, and while we are executing this one 5 subjects I want to enter 66, 77, 88, 99, 45. Total 5 subjects, right? Some of the marks are 37 and he is getting 56%. But what is the problem here? Already I told 0 minimum marks and maximum 100 marks. But while executing my program, I can enter 120, I can enter 345. It's not restricting the user. What is the percentage you get? Total marks are 17, 19 marks and percentage minus 49%. How? And there is a one mistake. And one more time I am executing same program. If in case I was enter first subject 99, very nice, and second subject 0, and third subject 88, and fourth subject 78, very nice, and fifth subject 12. And just observe how much percentage he is getting. 55%. But actually 0 marks in the sense he is a fail, right? He's a fail, and 12 marks is a fail. But even also we are getting percentage, how much percentage he is getting. So this is why, because here in this program we are focusing only static values as per not real time, right? And this is one of the most important program as per academics, as per your examination point of view also. This is one of the most important program. Please copy this everything, most important, right? Swap two numbers, one of the most important program, one of the repeated question in annual exam, semester exams, the BTech and BSc and BCom, three students. So this is the most important. And in interview time also they can write the swap your two numbers without third value. So Srikanth, tell me first of all what is swap. So just observe, there is a two values are there, a value 20, b value 30. There are two variables, right? This you can shift these values. A value as 30, now a 30 you required, and this one b 20, that is swapping. We know that exchanging their values, so here, but here exchanging. So if in case we are having third variable, suppose a equal 20, b equal 30, now c is there. If in case third is one more value is there, then you can write b equal c. What is the value of right now c? 30, right? C value, b equal c, otherwise c equal b. Okay, c is initialized, everything is okay, and a value is actually 20, just b equal a. What is the value of right now b value right now 20. Then we can write a equal c. What is the value of right now a? 30. This is swapping with the help of third variable. But right now in this program you never use third variable. With third variable, this one with third variable, very simple. With the third variable it is a very simple. But right now you want to focus without third variable. Right now just you observe what is the value of a. Suppose 20 and b value is 30. We want to exchange the a and b values. Is right? The first a equal a plus b I am doing. First a equal a plus b. What value? A value 20. What is the value of b? 30. And what we are getting? 50. A right now 50. Then b equal a minus b. What right now a value is 50. What is the value of b right now? 30. And right now b value is updated with 20. Right now a 50, b 20. Again I am doing a equal a minus b. A equal, what is the value of a? 50 minus 20. What we are getting? 30. A value 30. This is the logic. Everyone understood? This is a logic. Here we are focusing with the third variable. We store b value in c and b value assigned to a and c value is shared to a. That is a way. But here we are doing, first we are a plus b, a equal to a plus b and b equal to a minus b, and again we are doing a equal to a minus b. With the help of this we can swap two numbers. The same program we are trying to execute, right? Swap. Open and swap program. Just observe swap, and same program is there. Just observe, Control C, compile. There is no errors, and while running the program, and I can running 20 same way 20 30. Just observe, before swapping a value 20, b value 30. And swapping is doing, after swapping the value of a is 30 and b value 20. Again I am doing different numbers. A value 11 111 and B value 444. Right now just observe, before A 111 and B 444, and swapping is going, and after swapping the value of A 444 and B 111. Right. The next program we bitwise and before going to execute this bitwise and, we can convert, how to convert one number to bit values. Suppose a equaled 5. We need to convert bit numbers. So bit values are zeros and ones only. Just I can do this LCM. This 2 2 ja 4, right? Remaining value is 1. 2 2 1 ja 2. Remaining value is 0, right? And we are doing 1 0 1 of 2, and we are doing something, and we need to convert this value. I can confirm you how we are. 101 is a bit value for 5, and we can confirm that how it can perform, how we are getting. Just observe. Just observe. So we come 2 into 1 plus 2 into 0 and plus 2 into 1 power 0 1 2. Based on formula I am doing here. 2 power 2 4, 4 into 1 plus 2 power 1 into 0, something completely it going to 0, plus 2 power 0 1, 1 into 1 1, right? 4 1 ja 4 plus 0 plus 1, 4 plus 1 equal 5. This is a bit value. Everyone knows this, right? Everyone knows this. Just observe. I am erasing all, and we are converting. Suppose when we are entering two variable values, A value 5 and B value, suppose A value 15 and B value is 11. B value 11 and A value 15. We were getting bitwise A and B value. How much? Right now A value 15. Again we perform 2 7 ja 14, remaining 1. 2 3 ja 6, remaining 1. 2 2 ja 1, remaining 2 1 ja 2. Sorry, 2 1 ja 2, remaining 1. Right. 1 1 1 1 of 2. This is a value of 15. And what we are getting 15 value, we are converting to bit value, right? A and B. Next, what is the value of B? What is the value of B? 11, right? 2 2 5 ja 10, remaining 1. 2 2 ja 4, remaining 1. 2 1 ja 2, remaining 0. We are getting 1 0 1 1, right? And we are doing A and B. A and B, that is 1 1 1 1. 1 0 1 1, right? Bit level we are doing. What is the definition of A and B? When the two are true, when the two conditions are true, output will be true. That is same. Two conditions are true, it will be true. Two conditions are true, it will be true. And 1 0, one condition is true, one condition false, 0. And 1 0, one condition true and another condition is true. So we are getting A and B values are A and B equal 1 0 1 1. And already we are getting same answer. What is the value of A and B? 11. So we check it. So it's very simple. So here we are converting bit values, bit level operation. So and bitwise and can this and this and both completely different. Here it can be works like bitwise and here it can be works like AND operator. It can store the value at bit level, storing the value and addressing the value, address of A. And here logical performing. So we are trying to execute this program, right? Very simple, and but right now it is difficult to understand this program. F3 and bitwise and compile, and I want to execute. What we are giving 15 is a 1 and 11 is 1. What we are getting 11. but internally performs, converts the bit level, and we are getting different answer. Suppose we are going to execute one more way, 333 and 67. What we are getting? 65 we are getting different answer, right? Suppose I am going to execute 50 and 67. Just observe, we are getting 2. So differently we are getting. So bit values are completely different, right? Thank you so much. These 3 programs are most important for the beginners, and as well as the bitwise is also one of the example in operators. In operator point of view, this bitwise and is a most important program. And just you observe, I can change the bitwise and is there, and the bitwise XOR is a one program is there, right? Bitwise XOR, bitwise and bitwise OR, right? Bitwise OR, and again I am compiling, compile, no errors, and run. Same program I want to execute 15 and 11. What we are getting? Just observe, 15 we are getting. Actually A and B we are getting, A and B we are getting 11 actually. Here A or B we are getting 15. So quite different. In a bit level these can be done. Bit level operation. These are bit level operations. And thank you so much. Have a nice day.